Welcome back to Sanketik live classes. In the previous class, we wrote our first Pytest test case. In today's session, we will install the Pytest. Okay, so before writing automation tests, we must install Pytest in our system. Don't worry, installation is very simple. I will show everything step by step uh, and explain what is happening internally. So here first I'm going to open this one. So actually I had already installed the Pytest Python in my system. So I will show you the way how I installed. Okay. And again I am unable to install the Pytest because I had already installed on the system. But I will show you the each and every step. Okay. So Pytest, first of all, we has to know about what is Pytest. Pytest is a Python testing framework that simplifies the process of writing and executing unit tests. Not only unit test, all kind of tests we can uh, do using Pytest. Okay, so we are having different kinds of frameworks, right? Like robot framework, and also something TAF and okay. So test TAF is nothing but a test automation framework. And Pytest is for Python testing framework. Okay, and robot framework. Robot framework will having only keywords. By using keywords, we are going to use the uh, testing. Okay, so here why we are preferring the PyTest among all these is it offers a conscious syntax and pictures for setup and tear down, powerful assertions and easy test discovery. Don't worry about all these lines. This is new to you. Okay, yeah, and also it is a, basic class only. Just understand, try to understand, or just keep in mind these points. Later we can understand. In by going forward, I will explain each and everything in a detailed way. Okay, so and also its simplicity and flexibility make it a popular choice for testing Python applications. Uh, so some of when compared to other robot or TAF frameworks, that PyTest has more opportunities and also it is very simple and flexible. Okay, so that's why we are preferring PyTest among all. Okay, so now what are the prerequisites for installing this PyTest is first we need to install the Python and then pip or conda. Okay, depending upon your preference, you can install either pip or conda. Most I will recommend pip only. Most of the users will use pip only. I will not recommend conda. Okay, now the next step is to how to install the latest version of Python. Okay, for installation of Python, I had made another video that is available in our channel, and I also give the link in the description. You can check out there to install the Python. Okay, so but after installing, we need to verify whether Python is installed or not in our system. How we can verify the Python is installed or not is just to go to the command prompt. Okay, and then we can search like Python 3 hyphen version, or also I will show you once again. Just open command prompt. So here we can search like Python hyphen version. So I or also we can also use Python 3, sorry, hyphen version. So by default, it is already installed the Python. Okay. So we don't need to search like this. Sometimes if you want, some systems may allow you to check with the Python 3 as well. Okay. So here I will recommend you to use Python. So if it shows like Python 3, that 3.1, 3.5, then it is that Python is already installed in our system. Okay. Then what is our next step is, after confirmation of Python installation, then we can install the Pytest. Okay. So how to install the latest version of Pytest? Okay. So here install Pytest using pip. So we first we can go with the pip. Pip is nothing but a Python install packages. Python install packages. How you can write is, one second. I will open the fresh command prompt. So pip install Pytest. Okay, like that I had already installed, right? That's why I'm not installing now. But you can type like this, and then, so here also I had mentioned the same point only. First to open the command prompt and with administrator user on your system and execute the below command in the prompt to install the Pytest using pip. Okay. No need to bother about administrative user or like and all. Just you simply go like what I showed. Open and use this kind of command. Okay. Pip3 or pip. Okay, next. Once installation is completed, our next task is to verify the successful installation. We are also checked the Python is installed or not, right? Before installing the PyTest. In the same way, we used to check the PyTest is installed or not. Okay. So for that, we used to give like pip show PyTest. Okay. Pip show PyTest. So here, if you give like this, then it will automatically shows the whether it is installed PyTest is installed or not, and the version of the PyTest and some reference to that PyTest framework. Okay, who is other and all, but we don't need to bother about all this. But we need to see whether it is installed or not by seeing the name itself. We can assure that it is installed, and the version, whether it is the latest version or not, like that we need to check. Okay, by default it will install the latest version only. Okay, after that, method. So here we can also use the other method to install the uh, PyTest. So for that, what we need to do is we can also install the library using by using Conda. So to install the PyTest using Conda, execute, we have to use the this command Conda install -c Conda -forge PyTest. Okay. So, but I am not recommend you to use this method. This is somewhat lengthy, and most of them are use only pip method instead of Conda. Okay. Then after installing by using the Conda, then how can we verify that whether the PyTest is installed or not? By giving this command. Okay. Conda list PyTest. Okay. Next. So and after installing this one, we can conclude that installation of Pytest module is simple, as we can install it using pip manager or by using conda. By using conda. Next, after installing this, we can also write a small program and then we can check whether it is installed perfectly or not. For that, what we are going to do is I am opening the VS Code. In VS Code, what I am going to do is just I am writing a small program. I am going to define a function. For that, I had given def is nothing but a define a function, and the test will start here. Test underscore first program, first underscore program. Next, here I'm going to print the output just to check whether it is okay or not. So here I'm going to write welcome to automation testing with Pytest. Okay. So now we can check by this one. We can simply run here in the VS Code to test the output. Okay, so it is okay. Now we can also test by using the command prompt. Okay, for that I'm going to open the command prompt once again. So in order to proceed like this, then we can need to give the path of the PyTest. Remember, this is a very important step whenever we are going to run the PyTest. Okay, cd underscore a space and then we need to give the what is the path of that one. What is the location of that one? So this is the location of our PyTest. Okay, then we need to give this path, or else we can also simply give here uh, cmd, then it will automatically open here. Okay, so OneDrive, Sanketik Live Classes, OneDrive PyTest.demo. Then here in what in which name we are saved that one, we need to see. First we need to see here. In this, I had saved as test underscore sample data py, right? So first, I have written the program in VS Code and I had saved that the code in the name of test underscore sample dot py, and after that I had kept that in a one specific folder. That's folder name called pytest.demo. That was opened here in the command prompt. Now from here, what we need to do is just to give the PyTest, then automatically see here PyTest. See here one passed. So I had written a simple program, right, in VS Code. So same file here we had run here and also there as well. Okay, our test case is passed. Here PyTest finds file starting with the test underscore. Okay, so here test I had given test underscore, right? So PyTest will start checking the code from this one. Okay, test underscore, and also finds the functions which starts with the test underscore only. Next, it will execute them automatically. It will execute them automatically and shows whether it is passed or not. See here, it is passed. Okay. For that, this is the way to install Pytest and checking the program. So what are the prerequisites for this is first we need to install the Python as I mentioned here in the document, I think. Okay, wait for a second. See here, first we need to install the Python and then pip should be available. Pip automatically it will be available and then um, how to verify whether the Python or Pytest is installed or not by using Pytest hyphen version. So here for Python version we can type like this and for Pytest we can give like Pytest and space hyphen version. Then it will automatically shows like this. See here. Okay. And also we can also check verify by using pip3 show pytest or else pip show pytest. Anyone will work. Okay, now we have successfully installed the pytest and executed our first automation test. Okay, in the next class we will understand about this pytest more. Oh, okay. Which are the heart of automation testing. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next class. See you in next class.